Where AI adds real value in Epicor, AI works best in Epicor where the data is already strong and the process is already clear. The goal isn't to add it everywhere, it's to apply it where it reduces effort or improves decisions. Reporting is the obvious starting point. Most teams don't struggle to access data, they struggle to make sense of it quickly. AI can surface what stands out so users aren't manually scanning hundreds of lines. Forecasting and planning is another strong area. AI analyzes historical demand and patterns already in Epicor and gives planners better signals to work from. The planner still makes the call, AI just reduces the guesswork. Operations and quality is a third. Recurring issues in production, anomalies often show up in the data before anyone notices them on the floor. AI helps teams see those patterns earlier. Want to see the full breakdown? We cover all of this on our website at techweb.com. Link is in the description.